We'll guide you through how to add texture to 3D text in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin this tutorial, make absolutely sure that Adobe Photoshop is fully open and your workspace is ready. Go directly to the top menu, click on File, and select New to successfully create a brand new blank document. Select the horizontal type tool safely from the left toolbar. Click anywhere on the canvas, and carefully type a word using a thick, bold font. Go back to the top menu, click on 3D, and select New 3D Extrusion from selected layer. A system prompt might suddenly appear asking to switch to the 3D workspace. Simply click Yes to formally accept. Your text is absolutely now a 3D block. Look closely at the 3D panel, which is usually docked perfectly near your Layers panel. In the 3D panel, you can beautifully change the extrusion depth first to securely control how deep the 3D effect will automatically be. Still firmly in the 3D panel, accurately find your text object and smoothly click the small arrow safely next to it to completely expand the material list. Click securely on the first material option, which is usually named directly with your word followed by front inflation material. Now, please look at the Properties panel safely located directly above the 3D panel. Accurately find the base color setting that properly controls the base color or image, and securely click the small folder icon located exactly next to the color box. Safely select Load Texture directly from the generated drop-down menu. A File Explorer window will instantly open. Carefully browse your computer and confidently select a texture image, exactly like a photo of wood, metal, or stone. The selected texture is absolutely now perfectly applied directly to the front face of your 3D text. To successfully apply the exact same texture perfectly to the sides of the text, return quickly to the 3D panel and carefully select your specific word followed exactly by Extrusion Material. Go right back to the Properties panel. Firmly click the folder icon safely next to base color and correctly select the exact same texture image once again. Finally, simply try smoothly adjusting the overall angle or the precise size of your completed text, and you are absolutely perfectly and completely done with this entire process for this fantastic editing tutorial perfectly today.